Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace rear wiper blade on Mazda 3, 5, 6 and many others in 3 simple steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So first, get the wiper arm up from the rear windscreen. Then put the wiper blade in the almost horizontal position and then you take it out. You can find new wiper blades for Mazda models in the video description below. And now we will install the new wiper blade, and to do that you have to place the wiper blade in the same position that you take it out. And then place the wiper arm back on the windscreen. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.